exploring the versatile shoulder holster
This
template for
is the
revolvers and semi-autos.
shoulder holster template. So this piece here will go over the shoulder, and then this piece here goes like so. And then this strap here is 1, 2 straps, and those will go here, 1 and 1, and will go around the arm and connect to the Y here and here. You'll use buckles, fold that over, and then the end pieces here. You can see here it's got the holes for the buckle. Will attach to this, and then this end here will wrap around and snap on the belt. The holes on the ends here and here actually attach to the holster here at the top. This folds over like so, and the firearm goes in it. Now this particular one, you can see that, is for a large frame revolver, and it fits 3 to 7 inch barrels. So if you're doing a 3-inch barrel, you take these two pieces off here. If you're doing a 4-inch barrel, place that on like so. And if you're doing a 6 or a 7-inch barrel, you put this one on, and you literally just use this to trace around the leather and create your template. So the holster body is, you use 8 to 9 ounce leather, and then for all the straps and the shoulder strap here, the harness, you use 4 to 5 ounce leather. So it comes in several pieces, and it comes with easy to follow instructions. Like I said, this end here, you see it's got the 2 holes. That'll actually attach here. And you say, well, why is there so many holes? The reason why is because you can make it for different shaped people. And so depending on how tall or how not so tall they are, you can adjust this. So like this one will go like so, and this one will go like so, and you'll actually lace them through with lacing and get the holes lined up here. Let's see, got this going the wrong way, I think. Like there, and there, like that. That's how it'll go. See the holes line up. So this comes around off of the shoulder strap, and it connects to the Y on the opposite side of the body. So yeah, this little strap here will kind of go like around behind the neck. You can see this is the apex of the shoulder here. So that's the shoulder holster. I've got it in the large frame revolver template, as well as the large frame semi-auto. So like the 1911s will go on this one. Then I've also got, not pictured, is the small body or small frame revolvers. So right now the templates are in their protective wrap. This is the actual color of the template. It's a translucent green color, and man, does it really show up nicely on your workbench. So yeah, give me a shout if you need one of these. You can also find it on my website, www.pastorBobleather.com.